Good morning. Hello, this is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. Um, I'm coming to you this morning, and I still haven't gotten my voice back yet. So please excuse the fact that I sound like a gruff man, but I'm feeling great, um, and I'm blessed. So this morning, I would like to share a little information. Sometimes when things are going the way I want them to go, before I start, I always get this feeling, um, and it always says you have everything you need to succeed. So this morning when um, I started out with packs of hearts. It's 4 packs of Valentine hearts in a pack for $1 from Dollar Tree. Um, you had to purchase 24 packs if you picked them up in the store, and I didn't want that many, so I did get the 8 packs, and it was only $3 for shipping, and I had it shipped to my house, and I received it in less than a week. Next, I have some Happy Valentine's Day cake toppers, not cupcake toppers because cupcake toppers are small, but this is a Happy Valentine's Day cake topper that I purchased from Temu, and I purchased them recently. Those were the only 2 items that I purchased recently. Next is here's a QR code of a pack of fairy lights that I purchased last Mother's Day from Amazon. I didn't get a chance to go out for some reason, and I didn't wind up using any of them. I only used the 1 pack to make the sample, and I used that sample on my Etsy shop, and I still have it. So that just wasn't a good concept for me. Next, I have these cans. They're probably 6 inches tall. I've had them for several years. I used to use them when I sold flower pens, ink pens with flower tops, and I use these as the containers because they were very lightweight. I think I paid $9.99 for 6, and now it's $14.99 for 6. So I know I've had them quite some time. I had 5 of those. Then I have this bag that I ordered from Temu, and I had product that I wanted to put in these bags because I thought the bags were 3 inches by 3 inches by maybe a ½ inch or an eighth of an inch. But come to find out, these bags are square. And so that wound up being a perfect fit for the containers that I have. So what I did was I put them all together. I put the lights in, and I put the hearts in the bag. And I'm also going to include a small bag of candy with it. I'm being lazy and I don't want to open all these containers and put the candy in it because I didn't want to use any kind of candy that a person would possibly touch. So I tried it in the little mini packs. One little mini pack of M&Ms will fit, or 2 packs of the Starburst will fit, and I didn't really like that. Um, so when they make the purchase, they're also going to receive a card. I purchased these cards after Christmas from Hobby Lobby for 25 cents. Everything was like, I think, 90% off. So I might have paid $1 for 25 of these. Um, they don't have a hole in them or anything. Now I see why Boss Lady Fee takes her nails off. It's hard to maneuver some things with these nails. Okay, so there it is, open. And I've used quite a few for different things. Um, it's just a red foil on the outside, and it doesn't have any occasion, so it's really good for that. So what I wound up doing is just laying it on the top. If you want to give it to someone, it's already ready. Okay, then once I put the lights on, tie the bow on it, this is the finished product. They turned out really cute, and I'll attach a photo in a moment. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.